15 ways to use command hooks, and 11 easy life hacks. Command hooks are a great alternative to nails, as they offer damage-free hanging solutions. But most of us only think to use them for things like hanging pictures, decorations, and string lights. However, there are a lot more uses for these adhesive hooks that you may not have realized. Considering command hooks can be used anywhere and can hold a fair amount of weight for their size, the options are really endless. If you're looking for some tips and tricks to make life a bit more easy, you've reached the right place. Now, keep watching for 15 genius ways to use command hooks around the house. Before we begin this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more daily tips like this and turn on notifications so you never miss our new videos. Number 15, tangled cords. Tangled cords can be quite an eyesore, but command hooks can be a great way to guide the cord behind furniture to keep them out of sight. Number 14, garbage bag. How many times has your garbage bag felt like it was possessed by a fitted sheet? Using 2 command hooks on the sides of the garbage can help keep that bag secure and in place, so you don't have to worry about it sliding off the edges. Number 13, toothbrush. A bouquet of toothbrushes in a cup can get a little unhygienic with everybody's bristles getting all intimate. Using command hooks, you can easily mount each toothbrush to the wall to keep your toothbrush in place. Make sure you keep watching until the end, because after, we'll tell you about some bonus life hacks that are perfect for the lazy person inside each and every one of us. Number 12, sunglasses. Sunglasses don't have to take up surface space. Just display them on the wall with some hooks to keep them organized. Number 11, do-it-yourself wall mount. Create a do-it-yourself wall mount for devices like tablets and phones so you can watch away without having to worry about makeshift propping. Number 10, kitchen cabinets. Kitchen cabinets can often do pot lids what washing machines do to socks, make them disappear without a trace. You can, however, embrace some organization by hanging your pot lids along a cabinet to save space. Number 9, belts. Belts can sometimes feel like they don't have a storage place, but a command hook can give them a home wherever you decide. Number 8, routers. Routers can take up a fair amount of desk space, or they'll end up tangled in a web of cords somewhere below. Mounting your router using a few command hooks keeps it accessible yet out of the way. Number 7, headphones. There's never usually a place for headphones, and because of that, they tend to get thrown anywhere, turning the wire into a frustrating knot. A command hook is all you need to prop up any type of headphones. Number 6, charging station. Make a little charging station for your phone anywhere in your house with 2 command hooks instead of having your phone taking up counter space. Number 5, keys. Make sure you don't forget your keys, or stethoscope I guess, on your way out of the door by mounting them right next to the exit route. Number 4, shoe racks. Who says shoe racks have to stay grounded? Clear some of your floor space by displaying your pumps up wherever you please. Number 3, dish gloves. Dish gloves often end up just getting folded over the cabinet door, which isn't always super aesthetically pleasing. Hide those grimy mitts by hooking them clear out of sight. Number 2, measuring cup. Don't misplace your measuring cup ever again by hooking it onto whatever you use it for most. Number 1, wire racks. Wire racks can really go anywhere with the help of a few trusty command hooks, making organizing anything that much easier. Now that you know all the amazing ways you can use command hooks around your house, here are some bonus life hacks that'll make your life much, much easier. Number 11, cheap way to cool down the laptop. Do you have an older laptop that likes to overheat? Perhaps you've thought of different ways to keep it from overheating. Well, a really cheap and efficient way of doing this is by using egg cartons to prop up your computer, allowing the fan to blow out the warm air more efficiently. You're welcome. Number 10, long hair hack. This is a really fun hack to use if you're ever traveling or find that you need to catch a few Z's when you're away from your bed. Simply use your own hair to block out the light around you, providing instant sleep shade. Fantastic hair hack. Number 9, hammer hack. Are you tired of having to hold nails to tools while working? Here's a genius hack. Take a magnet, glue it onto the bottom of the hammer, and use it to catch or hold the nails that you're using while building. No more nails in your mouth or pockets. Number 8, Lazy Susans. These amazing storage devices allow you to maximize the space in your cupboards while also making it easier to use or see all of your things. Did you know that you can also use them in your fridge? This is a fun way to organize all of your condiments. Number 7, hair clips. Not just for hair. If you're a young person who enjoys listening to music with their headphones, chances are that you've lost a great deal of time untangling them after they've been in your pockets for a long time. Well, I suggest to you that you keep a hair clip to keep them bunched together and prevent them from getting tangled in the first place. Number 6, eat your takeout in the bath. Who doesn't love a good long bath? The water is warm and relaxing and really helps you feel good. However, bathing in warm water also makes you feel extremely relaxed, and you might find it difficult to eat dinner afterward. No matter, you can actually use styrofoam takeout containers as a flotation plate. Now, you can eat while you bathe. What a time saver! Number 5, broken razor? No problem. Broke your razor but don't want to waste money by throwing it away? Take a pair of needle nose pliers and use them to hold the blade in place while you shave. Honestly, this trick is very clever. What a fantastic way to solve a problem in the face of inconvenience. Number 4, iPad hack. Watch your movies on your iPad at night without having to hold it up awkwardly in your bed. This way you can just lay back, relax, and watch your movies in peace while using 2 hangers to prop it up to the bed above. Of course, this only works if you have a bunk bed. Number 3, Keurig Noodles. Did you know that your Keurig machine is great for lots of things? I mean, other than instant coffee, of course. You can use the hot water portion to make tea, or even use it to heat up your lunch, like this clever person, who's using the hot water to make instant noodles. Delicious and genius hack. Number 2, vacation mode. Feeling lazy while on vacation? Well, here's a very clever way to enjoy your mixed drink. Prop it up using shoes, a frisbee, and a very long straw. Now you can lounge, enjoy tanning, and even enjoy your delicious beverage. We don't know about you, but this is really getting us in the mood to go on vacation. Number 1, De-Icer Genius. Trying to figure out how to de-ice your satellite dish? Well, here's a fantastic way to save time as well as effort. Put the de-icer into a super soaker and use it to spray the dish properly. In your head, imagine how you would for an airplane at an airport. When it comes to solving problems in the face of any challenge, humans are by far the best. Some people create genius hacks that are so clever, they have to be featured right here. Many people figure out clever ways to eat food while performing other tasks or find a way to cut corners with household chores. Have you ever been sitting at home wishing you could kill 2 birds with only 1 stone? Or perhaps something's broken on you and you need to figure out an immediate solution. Problem solving is a great skill to have at any situation, even if it's a mildly silly one. Whenever you learn a new life hack, there's a great feeling of accomplishment, and you can't help but want to share this knowledge with everyone you know. This is why we felt so compelled to share these genius hacks that are just so smart. They'll change the way you think about everything. Not only are they easy, but they're perfect for the lazy person that is inside all of us. Try them out and let us know what you think. What are some great life hacks, tips, and tricks that you swear by to make your life easier? And which ones are your favorite from the video? Let us know in the comment section right down there. Enjoyed this video? Hit the like button and share with your friends. Also, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.